Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to resolve shipping delays on eBay. So there are two scenarios possible, and they include if you are a buyer or if you are a seller. So let's see what we have with buyers. So open eBay application on your device and then navigate to My eBay section at the bottom side of your screen and then select Purchases. As you can see, I don't have any purchases, but I'm sure you can easily resolve shipping delays if you will listen to my instructions. So then you need to find the delayed order and tap on this order. Review the tracking details to see the latest updates on your shipment. And for example, if the estimated delivery date has passed and there is no update, you need to tap Contact Seller button to send a message and ask some questions about your order regarding the delay, of course. If the seller, for example, doesn't respond or the issue isn't resolved at all, you need to tap More Actions button and select the reason I didn't receive it to report this problem. If there is still no resolution after 3 business days, you can ask eBay to step in and help. So that was the first scenario if you are a buyer, and let's see if you are a seller. So again, open eBay application on your device and then open My eBay and then select Selling. So you need to, in general, keep an eye on your orders and ensure that tracking information of your orders is updated correctly. So if you anticipate a delay, you need to message the buyer to inform them and provide updated delivery estimates so that buyer doesn't worry about their order, and you make sure that everything goes smoothly. And if, for example, a buyer opens a case, you need to immediately respond within 3 business days by providing tracking information or, for example, making a refund to the buyer if it's necessary. If you are unable to resolve the issue with the buyer directly, you can ask eBay to step in and help. So I hope that this video helped you to resolve shipping delays. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.